Again, went back to traditional PT thinking that was all I needed. And after 12 weeks there, going 2 to 3 times a week, I still am just like, what improvement am I even seeing? And so that it's been extremely frustrating. And so I called the office and I was just like, well, I mean, I don't know. But then Jessica, Dr. Workman, actually called me back, and I wasn't even expecting a phone call. And she called me back the next day and just told me, just like, you'll have me the whole hour. There's no one else that you'll be seeing or working on you. Like, you'll have me the whole hour. I really feel like we can help you. And I mean, at this point, I was just like totally hopeless and whatever, but it was just like, okay, I mean, this will be, I guess, the last thing I'll try, because it was different than anything that I had done before. And it was significantly more expensive, but at the same time, it's like I'm paying insurance every month and still have to pay every time I go for a visit and then get a bill after. It's like, I really don't think it ends up being that much more expensive, honestly. The simplest way I can say it is I've been coming here for one time for 5 weeks. And in that 5 weeks, when I went from going completely hopeless, helpless, like a lost cause, like this is just my new life, in 5 times, I have experienced more connection, more results, more everything in those 5 weeks than I have in the last 2 years. And I don't know what else there is more to say than that.